Hi, class 5, I'm back. Second video is going on. Okay, so we were there till this part where we get an instant reply from emails and we are able to get in touch with people. So it's called an electronic mail, which is called an email. Okay, that's different if we are stuck in a desert and we don't have battery and nothing, and then we don't get in touch. Only help of communication is the camel. Sit on the camel. If you don't have a camel, then you're gone. You have to sit in the sand and stay quietly there, or cover yourself and keep walking, or we die. That's the only issue. Okay, verbal communication. Now, what is verbal communication? Is the how we get to talk and get in touch with people. Started with the invention of telephones. Nowadays, telephones have become a necessity in every household. Every village has telephone connections. With the advent of mobile phones, a person is easily accessible. We can also send and receive messages and pictures through mobile phones. The internet can also be accessed through mobile phones. A fax machine is another device that sends and receives documents containing printed messages or pictures quickly. It works through telephone lines. So I had explained you the fax issue in the last class, and I had told you have to have a telephone line connection. In that fax you have to have that number. When you apply for a telephone number from anywhere, you get a number, isn't it? So you have to have that cable attached to it, so your telephone number shows on the machine. That's your number, and you give that number to a different person. So that different person has to have a fax machine, or has to go to a ISD, that PCO counter, who has a fax, who sends fax and brings in incoming and sends outgoing faxes. So there's a charge per minute, or 3 minutes or 6 minutes, something like that. So they put the paper in the feeder and they dial your number, and it gets connected to this machine. So this says, okay, there's one fax coming, and so receive that fax. Either it's kept an auto receive, so it comes in straight, or if it's not an auto receive, you have to say receive, okay, incoming fax, receive it, okay. So then that paper rolls from there and comes in out in that machine only. But here on your machine in Delhi, so you are in Kolkata, somewhere in Tamil Nadu, you are sending one fax, the paper goes out there, but your paper is there with you only. It just goes through your machine, goes in and comes out, and that's all. And the rest is a printout comes out there. So that is all about fax. And mobiles, it's very easy to get in touch with people, but people say a lot of lies. They'll stay in their house and they say, no, I'm in the bank, I'm in the market, I've come to the hospital. All types of games go on these days with the mobile. And easily accessible is because you are getting internet, and then you have this 4G, 3G and whatnot. Again, 5G has come into the market, so I'm not so much tech savvy, but I know about it. So, and this is all about the fax and the mobile phones. It's easy. Everyone needs a mobile phone. Before, everyone had a mobile phone, a BSNL mobile phone at their home. A BSNL mobile phone is good because it's very nice. It's a good thing for address proof, because it's given by the national government and by the central government actually. So it's a good address proof, and you can use phones. It's very cheap also, but we don't waste money like we waste on telephones, and you can always upgrade it. You can get internet from it. You can get the BSNL broadband is really good and really fast. We don't believe in it, but it's really very fast. All commercial projects, all office projects have to use BSNL because they give the highest speed. Now let's come to means of mass communication. I had given you links also already in the last class on Thursday about your fax machine and all. I had given you to show how a fax machine works, and also if you have seen it, if you want to learn more about it, listen to it carefully, put earphones on your mobile and sit and listen. Okay, means of mass communication. Personal communication is one thing, but communicating with a mass or people is completely different. Again, it's a different type of thing. It is communicating with lakhs of people at the same time. With the coming of television, people's lives have changed forever. Cable television followed, and soon after the internet. Thus, communication underwent a huge change. Let us study the various means of mass communication. What happened in the people? Listen, connecting with your own people, it's okay. But when you are connecting with a huge public or with a huge mass, it's very difficult. There are so many type of religions, so many type of people. You cannot just say something, or you just cannot inform something. Okay, tomorrow it's lockdown, please do everyone stay inside house. There's going to be a ruckus everywhere. So there is a plan, system of doing things and all. So it's very dangerous to control mass communication. There's a separate studies of mass communication where you learn how to do mass communication. Okay, so then we had the television. When the television came in, when I was in class, that was when Indira Gandhi died in 84, I guess. I don't know the dates. 83 or 85, I don't remember the date. But when she died, we had a television, a black and white television, and we had the only television in our area was in our house. And few of my family friends also had televisions, but they were quite far away. So we had televisions. Everyone came to our house to watch. And on Sundays we used to have these Chitrahar and whatnot and all that used to go on. Everyone used to come on to our house to watch the television. I used to get very pissed off. I used to get very bored. And you know, I didn't like people coming into my house to watch the television. So it was like that, you know. So, but you can't help it. After that, soon after it became cheap, people started buying TVs. Then it soon followed with the internet TVs. We have these smart TVs these days. You can use the internet on your TV. And at the same time, the mass communication went into a huge change. But before that, we had only newspapers and radio. But radio people used to listen before. So while we are reading this, we'll come to know about actually what happened here. Newspapers and magazines, as I said just now, newspapers, magazines, books and journals were the first means of mass communication. Newspapers bring us news from all around the world, be it politics, sports, culture, science or history. They are printed during the night so that they can reach people in early morning. Every country has new agencies which collect news and send it to different countries. Magazines too provide information on specific topics such as politics, sports and entertainment. So the whole thing issue this works. Suppose I am in India, but I am statesman or I am Times of India, but I need one person who is in America also. So I have my Times of India guy in America. Suppose at that time that person was not able to go and collect that news. Now he has got agencies and agents who give him that news. Okay, for this guy is from India. So they are paid also. It's a huge channel, it's a huge process of work. Mass communication is a very good topic to study on, it's a very good subject if you can really do well in it, and it brings you a good future. And so that is how we used to get information. Like when you read that's why in the school it is mandatory to read papers. You come to know everything, you understand it, and at the same time so many words you are learning, so many languages, so many thousands of words you are reading at one shot on that small 7 to 10, 13 pages. And whereas you get to know so much, you come to know about sports, you know about culture, about history of different kinds of places, about your own city, your own state, your own city, state, your country, as well as other countries, about games all over the world, what is happening all over India, what is happening all over your state, what is happening. Okay, so these are the things which happens and you get all information. We have local newspapers